turns out that you actually don't have the product that matches what they need.
Mm-hmm.
What's a good way to articulate that? Do you move them? You send them to the product you think will fit them the best from the competitor, or do you go deeper with them? Where do you go with that?
Yeah, it really depends on how much of a mismatch this is. And the reason why I say that, Sean, is I want to make sure that we get the hell out of our own way. And here's what I mean by that. We are living, breathing, dying, spending all of our time in our products, in our solutions. The reason why I'm bringing that up is we are also magnets for negativity, okay? I get it all the time. I love you. I love the sales coaching. I love the tips. It's awesome. That being said, for every one time I hear that, there's always going to be somebody that's going to complain about something, complain about a price. I wish you could do this for free, blah, 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 whatever it is, right? So I want to make sure that we're all clear, not just you, not just me, that when you say it's a mismatch, that you're not holding yourself to a level of it needs to be absolutely perfect, okay? Because perfect doesn't exist. Now, if it truly is not in the realm of possibility that it's not a fit, use the raise your hand. I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know that based on everything that you've told me, based on the data that we have right now, based on the situation, I don't believe it makes sense for us to move forward. I want to raise my hand and let you know that. Then you're going to build that trust and credibility. If you'd like to recommend them somewhere else, you could. If you want to just bow out and say, hey, if things change, I'll be here, I'm fine with that too. But make sure you're not selling yourself short in terms of they don't like the price or this little feature is a little bit off. You've got to sell what you have, and the benefit is probably there a lot more than even you're realizing. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.